Hey there guys and girls. Well, today I'm going to show you how to, well, not really show you much, but I'm just doing this because why the hell not? One of my videos I show you that I've got these happy little things. There's one over here. They're actually, let me just put my lights on. There we go, it's raining outside. They're actually, traffic lights, parts of traffic lights actually. I got them from the ex-army place. And what I've done is, normally they just have a really big 24 volt bulb in them. I'm not sure the wattage, but it's quite a nice size thing. And what I've done is I've taken the two wires out. They're both power, where one used to be power and one used to be in earth, but now they're both power. And I've stuck a brake light bulb in there, tail and tail stop light and brake light bulb. This is the original bulb from out the thing. Does it tell me wattage? 24 volts at 36 watts. So that's the original bulb. Nice filament in there. Very bright. Makes a lot of heat. But I'm replacing them with... this is a bit scorched, but it still works. Oh, it's not. It's got a blown filament in there. One of these guys. As you can see, there is supposed to be two filaments in there. If I get out the light of the fluorescent tube, maybe you can see it. Fluorescent tube, go away! Put my finger over it. There you go. See, there's two filaments in there. And one of them's blown. The actual brake light bulb is actually blown, but the other filament's fine. So that bulb's pretty much scrap. It's good for the other filament. That's probably why I kept hold of it. But yeah, now you'd have to do a modification on these. You'll see that little legs on this bulb are level on that one. But when we look at this other bulb, they are off. So you do have to modify the bulb holder a bit, and basically all I did on this bulb holder to modify it was I just cut it and then folded it up with a pair of pliers. Cut it with some little wire snippers here, these things, and I just folded it up. I was originally going to put two 12 volt single filament LEDs filament. Single, what's the word I'm looking for here? Only does one thing, rather than a brake light where it does two things. But no, I decided to go for the brake light bulb instead. I mean, I can still get the LED equivalents. This one with the two filaments on the back. Filaments, two pickup points on the back. So it brightens and dims as you press the brake pedal down. But for now I'm just going to put these guys in, and as you've just seen, it looks quite good. Probably a bit too bright actually, because the lens on this focuses it as a beam, a flat beam, so it's going to be quite bright in one area. I need to change the filter on it, because the filter is on this. It reflects the light to a thin narrow beam, whether I want it just to be all over. But it'll do for now. As a tail light it works fantastic, but as a stop light it's probably going to be a bit too bright. So my thoughts were on it to have them as fog lights. I'll have them as standard, tail lights all the time, but when you press the fog light button, these light up as well. The other filaments light up. So that's probably what I do. And also, if I do it that way, they won't overheat. It doesn't get foggy much here in the UK, and you very rarely need to use fog lights here. But yeah, so it'll be an interesting thing. I'll have them fit to a switch inside the car anyway. So yeah, so that's just one thing you can do. Next thing you could do is making an earth cable, which is just some wire I'd left over from the alarm system, and I just put a little eye on there, and then that will sit in. As that sits inside, it's going to get screwed down with it, as you can see inside there. It's got a very nice parabolic mirror on it. The mirror on this thing is really good. So yeah, not really much. It's just a little thing. Just thought you guys might want to see it. But don't know where you get where you've managed to find these things from. I think that they were runway lights at some point in time. I've had people tell, well, I've looked on eBay and whatnot, and these bulbs are being sold as runway lighting. So they're probably for airplanes and stuff, you know, aviation. I don't know, but like I say, the ex-army place had loads of them. They also managed to get hold of this rather cool looking thing, which is just basically a continuity tester for various wires. Insulation and continuity test. 24 volts, but I have had it lit up on 12 volts. And all you do is you just short different pins out and turn the thing, and it comes up and tells you that you know, if one of the pins is shorted out to another pin, it does a fail when you test that particular core. Nice and easy. It's a bit overrated for what it needs to do, but it'll look good bolted to the dashboard of the car, I think. You know, looks quite nice. But yeah. Anyway, I'll have that as the video, and I will catch you guys later on. You'll take care of yourselves, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out, guys and girls.